Alright, so we got the Easy Red half-inch drive ratchet, 72 tooth drive, locking flex head. It's supposed to be new. I don't think it's that new. I think this is just old stock. But full chrome grip, locking flex head, 72 tooth drive, low profile, reversible switch. I think every ratchet has a reversible switch now, so you can't really brag about that. Exceeds ANSI specs. mr1224fl is the model number. 22-inch long. Limited lifetime warranty, full chrome, low profile. We already went over that. What else is there? Made in Taiwan. Let's open it up. A co-worker of mine has the Easy Red ratcheting wrench, the extra long ones with the offset, and I was impressed by how nicely they were made, so I figured I would give this ratchet a try. The wrenches that he has, I'll put a link in the description, but they were really nice. They were really high quality. And this doesn't seem to be any different. This seems to be pretty nice so far. Chrome finish is really nice on this. Yeah, look at that. That's really nice. Push button, locking flex head. Wow, that's sturdy. That's really sturdy. That doesn't move much at all. Oh, I see. Moving this flex head with one hand is going to be a problem. Looks like you're gonna have to use two hands to do that. Yeah, that locks really tightly. Wow, that's really sturdy. Yeah, that's impressive. Let's take a look at the locking mechanism. Anyway, I'll report back after a few months of use and see how well it's holding up. But so far, I don't think you should have any problems with durability. It's hard for me to show just how sturdy this thing is when it's locked. Like, it's really, really sturdy. Like, I was afraid that the locking flex head wouldn't be as sturdy as this, but this is like, when it's locked, it's really locked. Like, you don't have to worry about it flexing around on you and flopping and stuff, and it's really solid. This is a really solid ratchet. That's the only marking on the ratchet, the laser edge. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please click like. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Once again, the links for all of the products mentioned in this video are in the description, so be sure to check that out. Thank you.